Are you tired of juggling a million tools just to keep your business running smoothly? Let me introduce you to HighLevel, the ultimate CRM for agencies, consultants, and marketers looking to scale. Imagine this: flat monthly pricing, unlimited contacts and users, and you never see your bill go up. Sounds like a dream, right? With HighLevel, it's reality. Don't let those precious opportunities slip through the cracks. HighLevel CRM simplifies and segments your contacts into dynamic smart lists, so you can engage every lead via SMS, email, workflows, and more. Need to blast a quick text or email to a contact list? Or maybe move a segmented cohort into a pipeline? Bulk actions make it happen with just one click. And hey, who wants to be stuck at a desk all day? With the HighLevel mobile app, you can manage your contacts, leads, and customers wherever you are. Now let's talk about unleashing your business's true potential. HighLevel is an all-in-one platform that elevates your marketing and sales. From a full CRM to form, survey, funnel, and website builders, online scheduling, and comprehensive calendar suite, it's all here. Manage deals with ease using pipeline opportunity and deal management. Consolidate your communications with SMS, Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, and email conversation streams. Handle your reputation and reviews. Host your WordPress sites, plan your social media, build workflows, and even generate invoices and payments. HighLevel's AI-powered content fields and white-label SaaS capabilities are just the icing on the cake. So, what are you waiting for? Hit the link below to start your free trial and discover what HighLevel can do for you and your business. Trust me, you won't look back. Let's get started.